In number 5, we have y equals 3 over 2x plus 1. So this is one where the last ones we had a point and a slope. This one is what we call slope-intercept form. So the slope in our graph here is the number in front of the x. So our slope is going to be 3 over 2. And then our y-intercept is the 1. So our y-intercept, we can say the y-intercept equals 1, or as an ordered pair, a y-intercept has an x value always of 0. So we can look at that as the point 0, 1. Again, a y-intercept is something that's going to lie on the y-axis. And so we have very similar things than we had in the last two, which we have a point, this time it's just the y-intercept, and we have a slope. So in order to graph this, the first thing we want to graph is our point. So we're going to start by graphing the point 0, 1, or again we can think of it as a y-intercept of 1, which means it's going to be on our y-axis. So the point 0, 1 is going to be right here. So I'm going to go ahead and plot that point 0, 1. Then we have our slope, which is 3 over 2. Since the slope is positive on the top, that 3 is positive, it's going to indicate that it's going up. And the 2 positive means it's going to go to the right. Or again, we can do the complete opposite, which is to go down and to the left. So we can go to our point. We're going to go up 3, 1, 2, 3, and to the right 2, 1, 2, giving us the point 2, 4. Then if I try to go up 3 again, notice I run out of space. So I can head back to the point I started with and do the opposite, which is go down 3, 1, 2, 3, and to the left 2, 1, 2. Bring me to the point negative 2, negative 2. I can do that again. Starting at this point, I'm going to go down 3, 1, 2, 3, and to the left 2, 1, 2, getting me the point negative 4, negative 5. And then I'm going to try to draw a nice straight line to connect those points. The arrows again on the end indicate that our line is going on forever.